Hey guys, so came up with a plan. 2N2222222, 200 ohm resistor, and I have put my notepad down. I have no idea where, so I found an old box and scribbled something on the back of here. So how does it work? So we got 4.5 volts in from my bench power supply, goes into the motor. There's a motor in there obviously, which powers the motor and the LED. I drew this up as a schematic here because I thought it's going to be handy to know this kind of thing for future reference anyway. You must also put a flyback resistor across there because when you've got infinite resistance, the energy's got to go somewhere, and it'll usually make something go bang. Ordinarily, that little transistor. So we've got the collector coming in. So we've got power coming in. We're using an NPN transistor, so we're switching the negative side. Okay, NPN transistor. Goes out and goes to earth through the emitter. The base we're connecting through a 220 ohm so it's 220 ohm resistor into an Arduino, which can easily be a Pi just by switching the port high or low. Will give us 3 volts. Now then, you could say this is wired up. However, you will see it is a complete mashup. But it works. That's what counts. Hey. Well, that's what counts for now. So I'll put that there, out the way. Hopefully you can see this abysmal mess now. Right, so this red wire is actually the earth. So here we have our emitter. I just hate it. So our collector goes in, so it's come through, goes to the base transmitter, emitter base collector, sorry. And what we do is I've uploaded the blink sketch, basic blink sketch, onto this Arduino, and just to see it works. So I thought, let's just switch a port on and off and see what happens. So external power bank. Yeah, it needs charging, but it's getting there. So we'll just whack that up there. Why isn't it working, you might ask? That's because there's no sense on the negative. Now then, need to clean this wire up. There we go, that's clean. If I hoof that into the negative side now, earth, negative, whatever you want to call it. So it'll go on for 5 seconds and stop and on. So that's working the blink program. As I say, I adjusted the blink program so it'll run for 5 seconds and stop. Works perfect. Exactly what I want. Apart from one thing. I don't want to have to lug around this external power supply and have all this crap happening. So we'll switch them off. And the plan is to power this from the Arduino. Well, the eventual plan is to have it powered directly from the Raspberry Pi, but Arduino, Raspberry Pi, you know exactly what I mean. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We've got 5 volts right there, and please fit. If not, we're going to be having another gigantic bodge. No, it fits. We're away. So there we go. Oh, every time I do something with this, it ties in a great big knot. Not the ideal thing to be showing people how it all works. But there. Yep, I know, it's sketchy. People are going to complain, it's sketchy, but hey, tough. So let's see what happens. Power. There we go. Perfect. So we've now got a proof of concept there using Arduino. Raspberry Pi. All we'll need to do is just set a GPIO to high, and it will enable the pin and There we go, we've got that done. Next, let's get this squeaking. It's going to be very much the same way. Probably use a different pin. It's going to be exactly the same. Exactly the same. In fact, I can probably just connect up the... Yeah, I'll connect it up. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Connect it up and we'll try the same again. Okay, so Frankenstein's monster has had a bit more work done on it. Say again, this is proof of concept. Just make sure I just want to make sure it works and it's going to do what I'm thinking, and that the board isn't going to explode or, you know, do some irreparable damage to something. So got positive going in to this from, again, through there, through the 5 volts, yada yada yada. Negative, it's gone into the collector of the 2N222 and out through the emitter to board earth there. Okay, bit of a dodgy connection, so yeah, you can only calling that a connection is would be very weak. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so have we got a fail going on there? Oh, yeah, we just got bad connection. Hey! So that goes for 5 seconds. So they both go for 5 seconds, then stop for a second. There you go, see? That should make a nice little alert. Just because it's not going to be too noisy and that it's going to, you know, make people have a heart attack. I'm quite pleased with that. I'll probably mount this on top of a box of some sort. You know, a food box. Put that inside with a speaker sticking through. Yeah, that's going to be quite cool. That'll do the job nicely.